Yan, as you can see, malapit na tayo, 1 kilometers, it will be Calamba. So galing tayo sa Santo Tomas, so may binili lang tayong barako na coffee dun sa Santo Tomas Palengke. And I'm using the 70 my a800s na dashcam, front and rear. So this is the front, 4K setting, so loop recording lang siya ng sa estimate ko 6 days because nga dahil nga ano siya, medyo mataas yung bytes per frame because of the size, yung 4K. Sa likod 2K medyo maliit. Mas matagal yung loop recording. So syempre depends naman. So yun, nakuha ko to kay Auto Swift Car Accessories sa Quezon Avenue. So far it's magwa 1 year na, no issues dito. Everything's good and madali lang siya download through phone. So yan, napakalinaw guys, as you can see, right? And yan, it's mounted here, malapit sa driver side. Why? Because of the wirings, para malinis. Because hindi kasi pwede siya doon sa gitna because of the Toyota safety sense. As you know, pinakita ko naman dito sa previous episode ko sa YouTube channel. And
alright, once again guys, thanks for watching. So around 9 a.m. almost, broad daylight. So kitang-kita nyo naman guys, super linaw. Next time papakita natin sa nighttime at saka habang naulan. Pero yan, 70 my a800s front cam, 4K resolution guys. Do check it out on Auto Swift Car Accessories. Ayan. By the way, wala tayong hardware kit para sa 24-hour surveillance. Yan lang, naka USB powered. Okay, once again, thanks for watching guys. Bye!